बेल्जियम की राजधानी ब्रसल्स में हुए आत्मघाती बम धमाकों के बावजूद प्रधानमंत्री का ब्रसल्स दौरा रद्द नहीं होगा। आत्मघाती बम धमाकों और बढ़ती सुरक्षा चिंताओं के बावजूद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपना दौरा करेंगे। इस बात की पुष्टि विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता विकास स्वरूप ने की है।
I'll also brief you on the 3 visits that Prime Minister is going to be undertaking fairly soon. His first visit, in fact, will be to Belgium. Prime Minister will pay his first official visit to Brussels on 30th March 2016 for the 13th India-EU Summit at the invitation of the President of the European Council, Mr. Donald Tusk, and the President of the European Commission, Mr. Jean-Claude Juncker. The European Union is India's leading trade and investment partner and biggest export destination. India and EU are also strategic partners since 2004. The 13th India-EU Summit aims to deepen the India-EU strategic partnership and advance collaboration in priority areas for India's growth and development. The Prime Minister will also hold a bilateral summit meeting with Belgium at the invitation of the Belgian Prime Minister, Mr. Charles Michel.
इससे पहले विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता ने ब्रसल्स में हुए आत्मघाती हमले की कड़ी निंदा की थी।
Let me begin with the terrible terrorist attack in Brussels. We condemn this attack in the strongest possible terms. We stand in solidarity with the people and government of Belgium. We offer our condolences to the families of the victims. Terrorism is a global scourge, and the attack in Belgium underscores once again the need to counter it unitedly. Our mission in Belgium is closely monitoring the situation. They have already issued helpline numbers. As of now, we have no reports of any Indian casualties.
आपको बता दें कि ब्रसल्स के बाद प्रधानमंत्री वॉशिंगटन के लिए रवाना हो जाएंगे, जहां वो 31 मार्च और 1 अप्रैल को परमाणु सुरक्षा सम्मेलन में हिस्सा लेंगे। वहां पर सम्मेलन से इतर प्रधानमंत्री की कई द्विपक्षीय मुलाकातें भी होनी हैं। 2 और 3 अप्रैल को प्रधानमंत्री सऊदी अरब के दौरे पर भी जाएंगे।
From Brussels, Prime Minister will proceed to Washington, D.C. to participate in the Nuclear Security Summit. I will now give you details on that. The Prime Minister will attend the 4th Nuclear Security Summit on March 31st, April 1 at Washington, D.C. The first Nuclear Security Summit was held in Washington, D.C. in April 2010, followed by the summits in Seoul in March 2012 and The Hague in March 2013. 52 countries and 4 international organizations are expected to attend the 2016 summit. The Nuclear Security Summit process has been instrumental in galvanizing leaders-level attention on the global threat posed by nuclear terrorism and urgent measures required to prevent terrorists and other non-state actors from gaining access to sensitive nuclear materials and technologies. The 2016 summit is expected to take stock of the progress of implementation of the previous NSS communiques work plan, as also outline an agenda for the future. As per past summits, a number of countries may project the respective steps taken by them to strengthen nuclear security since the last summit, including in the form of submissions of national progress reports. India shall also be submitting its national progress report, which will be made public at the summit. India has contributed constructively during the NSS preparatory meetings in 2014 to 16 at the level of Sherpas. Prime Minister will be making some specific announcements and proposals with regard to nuclear security during his interventions at the NSS. These will also be made public in due course. The program of the summit begins with an opening dinner for the leaders on March 31. The thematic discussions during the dinner would be on nuclear security threat perceptions. Thereafter, the thematic discussion during the morning and the afternoon sessions of April 1 would be on national actions to enhance national security, followed by international and institutional actions to strengthen nuclear security. As at the Hague Summit, the concluding session shall be a scenario-based policy discussion. From Washington, Prime Minister will fly to Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is paying an official visit to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on 2nd and 3rd April 2016 at the invitation of His Highness King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. This is the highest level visit from India to Saudi Arabia after the visit of the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to Riyadh in 2010. During the visit, Prime Minister will hold discussions with King Salman on bilateral, regional and multilateral issues of mutual interest. India and Saudi Arabia share friendly relations based on close people-to-people contacts. The strategic partnership established through the Riyadh Declaration in 2010 envisions a deeper engagement in political, economic, security and defense areas. In recent years, there has been significant progress in bilateral cooperation in key such areas of mutual interest. Saudi Arabia has become our fourth largest trading partner, with bilateral trade exceeding US $39 billion in 2014-15. Saudi Arabia is also India's largest crude oil supplier, accounting for about 1/5 of India's total oil imports. Indians form the largest expatriate community in Saudi Arabia, and their contribution in the progress and development of their host country is well recognized. There are over 2.96 million Indian nationals presently working in Saudi Arabia.
गौरतलब है कि ब्रसल्स में हुए 3 आत्मघाती बम धमाकों में कई लोगों की मौत हो गई। इन हमलों में मेट्रो ट्रेन सेवा और एयरपोर्ट को निशाना बनाया गया था। इस हमले के बाद से प्रधानमंत्री के ब्रसल्स दौरे पर संशय बना हुआ था।